Good morning, dear students. This is Shafi from Don Bosco PU College, Chitradurga. In our previous class, we solved some problems graphically. In this class also, we are continue with the same type of problems. Here we have one question: solve minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equals to minus 6. You just remember the thing. Here he is given that greater than or equal. Here he is given that greater than or equal. Therefore, we have to draw the line by the thick line. We have to draw by the line. We have to draw the line by the thick line. Okay. Remember the steps of solving the inequality graphically. Whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider equal. Consider minus 3x plus 2y equals to minus 6. Next, second step is what? Put x equals to 0. Put x equals to 0. Then if we put in place of x 0, then what we will get? Minus 3 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 2y equals to minus 3. Then y equals to minus 3. Y equals to minus 3. I already told you in the previous class itself that if we do substitutions, if we do simplification, then the problem will be very lengthy. So that I am avoiding those steps. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Therefore, the point A will be x comma y, 0, 0 comma minus 3. 0 comma minus 3. Next, put y equals to 0. Put y equals to 0. Then if we put 0 in place of y, what we will get? Minus 3x plus 0 equals to minus 6. Then minus 3x equals to minus 6. Minus 3 and minus 3 ones are minus 2s are. So x equals to plus 2. X equals to plus 2. Therefore, the point B will be x comma y, 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0. Are you understand? Once again, if we put 0 in place of x, we will get minus 3 into 0 is 0. 2y equals to minus 6. 2y equals to minus 6. Y equals to minus 6 by 2. Then 2 ones are minus 3s are. So y equals to minus 3. Right? Then we will get a. Similarly, if we put 0 in place of y, we will get minus 3x equals to minus 6. Minus 3x equals to minus 6. X equals to plus 2. X equals to plus 2. 2 comma 0. X comma y. That is what? 2 comma 0. Next step is what? Put 0 comma 0 in the given inequality. Inequality, that is the given question, minus 3x plus 2y greater than or equal to minus 6. In minus 3x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 6. Therefore, 0, if we put 0 in place of this inequality, in place of the left hand side of the inequality, then it will be 0. 0 is greater than or equal to minus 6. This says that 0 is more than minus 6. It says that 0 is more than minus 6. Is this true or false? 0 is larger than minus 6. 0 is larger than minus 6. Is this true? It is true. Yes, it is true. 0 is more than minus 6. Now, take a graph. Here we have minus 3. Here we have minus 3. So that take negative x-axis and negative y-axis also. Let us consider xy plane. XY plane including negative x-axis and negative y-axis also. It is x and it is negative x-axis. It is positive y-axis and it is negative y-axis. It is origin. Maximum value of x will be plus 2. Maximum value of y will be minus 3. So take 1, 2, 3 only. 0, 1, 2, 3, take the values on negative x-axis, -1, -2, -3. Take the values on positive axis, 1, 2, 3. Take the values on negative axis, -1, -2, -3. Okay. Now draw the graph. Represent the points on the plane. X is 0, y -3. X value is 0, y value is -3. X value is 0, y value is -3. It will be the -3. A, it is what? A. 0 comma -3. B, 2 comma 0. X 2, y 0. X 2, y 0. It is the point B. I already told you that in the inequality he is given the symbol greater than or equal. If it is greater than or equal, we have to draw the line by the thick line. We have to draw the line by the thick line. Draw this line by the thick line. Kindly use scale along with pencil. It is that line. Next, here it is true. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. Here we have the origin. If that value is true, we have to shade towards the origin. Towards, like this. Towards the origin. Shade this towards the origin, like this. Kindly remember, this shading should not be crossed this line. This shading should not be crossed this line. That shading should be clear and very clean. Understand? It is the representation of a inequality -3x plus 2y is greater than or equals to -6. Yes, now you can take a screenshot or pause the video. You just note down in your notebook. Kindly do not confuse. You just practice one or twice. You will be perfect. Now let us move on to the next question. 9th question we have. Next we will move on to the 10th question. 10th question. Solve y plus 8 y plus 8 is greater than or equals to 2x graphically. Yes, you just follow the steps. Before that, here one inequality is given. Let us rearrange this inequality in a proper way. He given that y plus 8 is greater than or equals to 2x is given. Let us for our convenient I am going to rearrange this inequality in a proper way. How it will be? Send this 8 to the right, take this 2x to the left. Send this 8 to the right, take this 2x to the left. I am going to rearrange this. If we take 2x to the left, that will be y minus 2x is greater than or equals to, if we send this 8 to the right, that will be minus 8. Understand? Okay, now whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider equal. Consider y minus 2x equals to minus 8. Y minus 2x equals to minus 8. We just see the given inequality involves greater than or equal to symbol. The given inequality involves greater than or equals to symbol. Therefore, we have to draw the line by the thick line. Now, what about the second step? Put x equals to 0. Then if we put in place of x 0, then y minus 0 equals to minus 8. Therefore y equals to minus 8 only. Therefore y equals to minus 8. If we put 0 in place of x, then we will get y equals to minus 8. Therefore the point A will be 0 comma minus 8. 0 comma minus 8. Similarly, if we put 0 in place of y, then what we will get? If we put 0 in place of y, then 0 minus 2x equals to minus 8, minus 2x equals to minus 8, then x equals to plus 4. X equals to plus 4. If you want to simplify, you can simplify. Point B will be x comma y, 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0. Second step is what? Last step is what? Put 0 comma 0 in the inequality. In the given inequality, I just modified this inequality in this form: y minus 2x. Y minus 2x is greater than or equals to minus 8. Therefore, 0 minus 2 into 0, that is 0 is greater than or equals to minus 8. 0 is greater than or equal to minus 8. It says that 0 is more than minus 8. 0 is larger than minus 8. 0 is larger than minus 8. Is this true or false? 0 is larger than minus 8. 0 is more than minus 8. Is this true or false? Yes, it is true. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. It is a given inequality. I just rearranged this inequality in this form: y minus 2x is greater than or equal to minus 8. So first step, whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider equal. Next, if we put 0, then we will get y minus 8. The point A will be 0 comma minus 8. If we put 0, then we will get x 4. The point B will be 4 comma 0. Next, if we put 0 comma 0 in this inequality, we will get 0 greater than or equal to minus 8. That result will be true. 0 is more than minus 8. Now draw the graph. In this we have minus 8. In this we have minus 8. Therefore, consider negative x-axis and negative y-axis also. Take negative x-axis and negative y-axis. It is positive x-axis, it is negative x-axis, it is y, it is negative y-axis. It is what? Origin. Take the values on x-axis. X value maximum is 4 only. If you want to take up to 4, you can take, or you can take up to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take the values on negative x-axis: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Take the values on y-axis: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take the values on negative axis: minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. Let us plot the point A on the graph: x 0, y minus 8, x 0, y minus 8, x 0, y minus 8. This will be the point A. X value is 0, y value is minus 8. Next, point B: x 4, y 0, x 4, y 0. It is the point B. It is the point B. Okay. The given inequality involves the symbol greater than or equal. Greater than or equal. Therefore, we have to draw the line by the thick line. Draw this line with a thick line. Join these 2 points by the thick line. Join these 2 points by the thick line. Kindly use scale and pencil to draw these lines. Now, here the result is true. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. Here it is the origin, we have to shade towards the origin like this. Solving the inequalities, solving the concept of inequality is important for your point of examination as well as for your second PUC. In the second PUC also we have the graph. Remember, this shading should not cross this line. This shading should not cross this line. Okay. Hence, it is the graph of the inequality y plus 8 is greater than or equals to 2x. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Next, take one homework question. Solve x minus y is less than or equals to 12 2 graphically. It is the question homework for you. The point, if we put in place of x 0, then we will get y equals to minus 2. The point A will be 0 comma minus 2, right? Like that, you just draw the graph of this inequality. It is the question homework for you. Let us move on to the 12th question. 12th question, solve y less than 2 graphically. Y less than 2 graphically. Okay. It is very simple that whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider equal. Consider y equals to 2. Consider y equals to 2. Next, if we put 0 in this inequality, therefore what we will get, 0 is less than 2. If we put 0 in this inequality, 0 comma 0 in this inequality, we will get what? 0. 0 is less than 2. Is this true or false? 2 is more than 0. 2 is more than 0. Is this true or false? Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. No need to find A, B. No need to find A, B for these kinds of inequalities. Already we know that y equals to 2 line, where it will come. Take x and y axis. Take x and y axis, x axis, and it is y axis 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Y equals to 2, where it will come y equals to 2, where it will come y equals to 2 line. So y, it is y equals to 2. Therefore, before that, you have to remember that inequality involves less than. That inequality involves less than. Therefore, we have to, y equals to 2 is what? It is the y equals to 2. The given inequality is involving less than. Therefore, we have to draw the line by the dotted line. We have to draw that line by the dotted line like this. It is what? Y equals to 2. Here the result is true. If it is true, we have to shade. It is the origin. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. Shade towards the origin. Shade towards the origin like this. Remember that shading should not cross the line. I mean upper half plane. Right? It is y equals to 2. That's it. It is a representation of the inequality y less than 2. Next question. 13th question. Solve y is greater than minus 2 graphically. How you are going to represent this graphically? whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider what equal, y equals to -2. Next, 0 greater than -2. Okay, in this I'm going to change the inequality y greater than or equal to -2, 0 less than greater than or equal to -2. Is this true or false? 0 is more than -2. 0 is more than -2. 0 is larger than -2. 0 is larger than -2. Is this true or false? Yes, it is true. Yes, it is true. Now take, so negative we have, take negative x-axis and negative y-axis also. X-axis negative x, y positive y, negative y. 0, 1, 2, 1, -1, -2, 1, 2, -1, -2. Okay, y equals to -2. It is y equals to -2, y equals to -2. The inequality is involving greater than or equal, therefore we have to draw that line by the thick line. We have to draw that line by the thick line like this. Okay, we have to draw that line by the thick line. That is what, y is equals to -2. Y equals to -2. Next, here the result is true. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin. If it is true, we have to shade towards the origin like this. Shade towards the origin. In your notebook, graph should be very clear. Kindly maintain in your notebook, that graph should be very clear. Like this you draw. Like this, you just shade this. Understand? Yes. Next question, that question will be homework. 14th one, solve y. It is the question homework for you. Solve y is greater than -3 graphically. Y is greater than -3 graphically. Remember, the symbol is given greater than, so that we have to draw the line by the dotted line. Next question. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take it. Next question, 15th question. Solve 3x minus 6 is greater than or equal to 0 graphically. Yes, we know that. Before that, the inequality is given. Let us rearrange this inequality in a proper way. 3x, if we send this -6 to the right, that will be 3x is greater than or equal to +6. 3x is greater than or equal to +6. X is greater than or equal to, if we send this 3 to the right, 6 by 3, that will be 2. X is greater than or equal to 2. Yes, we found the inequality x greater than or equals to 2. Now consider whatever the inequality is given, we have to consider x equals to 2. Next, 0 is greater than or equals to 2. 0 is greater than or equals to 2. It says that 0 is more than 2. 0 is larger than 2. Is this true or false? False. If it is -2, yes, it is true. Here it is +2. It says that 0 is more than 2. Therefore, it is not true. Now take x-axis and y-axis. If you want to take negative x, negative y, you can take. If you want to ignore, you can ignore it. X dash and it is y dash. 0, 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2, sorry, -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, x equals to 2. X equals to 2. It is x equals to 2. Next, remember, you just see that that inequality involving greater than or equal. Therefore, we have to draw the line by the thick line like this. We have to draw that line with a thick line. It is what? X equals to 2. It is what? X equals to 2. Here the result is what? False. If it is false, we have to shade apart from the origin. It is origin. If the result is false, we have to shade apart from the origin, like this, apart from the origin. Are you understanding or what? Kindly make sure you just practice once or twice, you will be perfect. Maybe some peoples may be perfect at once. Maybe some other peoples, they will be perfect twice or thrice. Kindly do not confuse. You just practice at your home properly. You will be perfect in these kinds of problems. I understand. Next question. That question will be homework. 16th question. It is homework for you. Solve x greater than minus 3 graphically. Solve x greater than minus 3 graphically. It is a question homework for you. I hope everyone is understood. Okay, dear students, it is the class for today. In the next class, we will move on to solution of system of linear inequalities in two variables.